Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pina Saripa. I'm from class 40 English Education Department. In this occasion, I would like to speech. The title of the speech, How to Reading Comprehension for Student. Before we start, what is the reading comprehension? Reading comprehension is the ability to read a sentence and understanding its meaning. Reading comprehension is not just understanding its meaning, but it is ability to recognize words, sentence, and paragraph and make sense of overall meaning. In this video, I would like to give 8 steps for reading comprehension for students. For the first step, find book they likes. Sometimes low reading comprehension comes down to the fact that a student just isn't interested in what he or she is reading. In fact, 73% of students say they would read more if they could find book they likes. Finding the book they likes will increase reading interest. For the second step is read aloud. Hearing the word out loud helps many students gain a better understanding of what they are reading that they are able to get while reading in their head. Encourage students to read aloud if he or she is struggling with a certain part of a book. And the third step is skim the heading of the text. Quickly skimming the heading of a book gives students a high-level overview of what they are reading. The student can use the heading to quickly understand what the reading is about or what the main point of the text before students start reading. And the fourth step is reread sections that are confusing. Revisiting the part that we are confusing for students can help the student gain a more complete picture of which student is learning. This also helps ensure your student is able to understand upcoming material in the text. And the next step, discuss what your student has just read. When your student has finished reading, talk about what they just read together. Ask your student what they learned, and for longer reading material, like book report or journal, make discussion question you and your student can talk about together after each reading session. For the next step is recap and summarize the main point. When talking about the material with your student, ask they to recap and summarize the main point. Explaining what your student learned in their own words help ensure your student understand what was read. It also help relate the material to what they already know. For the next step is write down question about what the student don't understand. Help your student make notes about they doesn't understand about reading. When your student has a question, encourage them to pause and reflect on what they has read. If your student still has unanswered question, have they take this to teacher for extra help. And next, the last step, use different format. And why the last step is use different format? Because some students just are not natural reading. They learn better when they see, hear, or write things. If your student struggling with reading, find a format that works better and incorporate that into reading session. I think enough. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.